Yogurt. Ancient yet modern. It started as a happy accident in a sheep's stomach and now fills grocery store shelves worldwide. This creamy, tangy food is more than a snack. It's a testament to our long relationship with microbes. Before refrigeration, milk spoiled fast. Our ancestors needed a way to preserve it. The answer wasn't high-tech. It was fermentation, likely discovered in a leather pouch slung over a horse. Yogurt's story is one of survival, science, and clever bacteria. From Neolithic herders to your lunchbox, yogurt's journey is a tale of transforming perishable milk into a stable, healthy food. We'll peel back the foil on this history and see how yogurt became a global phenomenon. Yogurt is alive, a bustling metropolis of bacteria turning milk sugar into lactic acid. This process preserves milk and creates yogurt's unique tang and texture. From Central Asia to California, yogurt has adapted and thrived. It connects us to our agricultural roots and points to the future of nutrition. Yogurt is a true superfood, and its story is worth telling. So grab a spoon. We're diving into the culture of, culture. Imagine you're a herder in ancient Mesopotamia. You have milk, but it spoils quickly in the heat. Survival demanded a solution. Early humans noticed that milk stored in animal skins or clay pots would thicken and sour thanks to natural bacteria and enzymes. The sun's warmth and the right container transformed milk not into waste but into yogurt. Bacteria consumed lactose, producing lactic acid, which preserved the milk and made it thick and creamy. This process kept milk safe for days or weeks, even without refrigeration. Yogurt was portable, nutritious, and easier to digest, especially for the lactose intolerant. The bacteria did the hard work, pre-digesting the lactose. This wasn't just about saving milk, it was about creating a superior food. Fermentation was a game changer, letting communities store nutrition long after milking. Yogurt's creation was a food preservation miracle. It turned a perishable resource into a staple that fueled early civilizations. The simple act of letting milk ferment changed diets and history forever. Yogurt's origins are rooted in necessity, but its impact is lasting. From ancient herders to modern kitchens, fermentation remains at yogurt's heart. And that's how a milky problem became a creamy solution. How do we know yogurt's history? Archaeologists have found clues in ancient pottery. Pottery shards from the Neolithic era, especially in the Middle East and Central Asia, contain traces of milk fats. Some pots, like sieves, suggest people were separating curds from whey, a step in making cheese and thick yogurt. Animal skin bags, though rarely preserved, were likely used for fermentation, as seen in modern nomadic cultures. The warmth and motion of travel created perfect conditions for yogurt to form. The evidence is clear: domesticated animals, dairy processing, pottery, and animal skin containers all point to early yogurt making. Yogurt was a staple for ancient farmers and herders, a practical solution to spoilage. These ancient clues reveal yogurt's deep roots as a food born from necessity. The story is written not in words, but in stains on pottery and the logic of survival. Once discovered, yogurt spread quickly across ancient societies. In India, the Vedas praised yogurt and honey as food of the gods, and Ayurveda valued yogurt for health and digestion. The Greeks and Romans knew fermented milk, with Herodotus describing the Scythians' thick sour mare's milk. Romans enjoyed oxygala, a rustic, healthful soured milk. The Turks, however, gave yogurt its name, derived from yoğurmak, meaning to thicken or curdle. For Turkic nomads, yogurt was a dietary staple, eaten plain in soups or as ayran, a refreshing drink. Ancient texts describe yogurt's central role in Turkish culture. Across these civilizations, yogurt was more than food. It was tradition, medicine, and a way of life. Its versatility and health benefits made it indispensable. For millennia, yogurt was magic. Milk went in, something delicious came out. In the early 1900s, science finally explained the process. Russian biologist Élie Metchnikoff studied long-lived Bulgarian peasants and linked their health to fermented milk. He theorized that yogurt's bacteria displaced harmful gut microbes, promoting longevity. Bulgarian student Stamen Grigorov isolated the key bacterium, later named. Metchnikoff popularized yogurt's health benefits, making it a scientific, not just folk, remedy. Scientists also identified which works with to ferment milk. These bacteria convert lactose to lactic acid, creating yogurt's signature taste and texture. The age of probiotics began, and yogurt's microscopic heroes were finally recognized. Yogurt became a symbol of health backed by science. The magic was unmasked, but the wonder remained. Yogurt's story shifted from mystery to microbiology. Even with scientific backing, yogurt was slow to catch on in the West. In early 20th century Europe and America, it was seen as an exotic health food sold in pharmacies. Isaac Carasso changed that in 1919, founding Danone in Spain to produce yogurt for children's health. His son Daniel brought the business to France and later to the US, launching Danone in New York. Americans found yogurt sour and strange until 1947, when Danone added strawberry preserves to sweeten it. This fruit-on-the-bottom innovation made yogurt a delicious snack, not just a health food. The market exploded with new flavors, low-fat options, and even frozen yogurt. Brands like Yoplait and Swiss-style yogurts followed, making yogurt mainstream. What began as a medicinal product became a staple in Western diets. The yogurt aisle became a kaleidoscope of choices. Yogurt's journey from pharmacy to fridge was complete. It was now a beloved everyday food. Today, yogurt is a global canvas for flavor and nutrition. Greek, Australian, drinkable and plant-based yogurts fill supermarket shelves. The rise of probiotics has made yogurt a go-to for gut health, digestion, and immunity. Yogurt's versatility shines in cuisines worldwide. Indian raita, Middle Eastern labneh, Greek tzatziki, and more. It's a meal, snack, condiment, drink, or dessert. From ancient survival food to a multi-billion-dollar industry, yogurt's story is one of adaptation and innovation. It remains popular for simple reasons: it's delicious, versatile, and good for us. Yogurt's partnership with microbes continues to shape our diets and health. From goatskin bags to high-protein, plant-based cups, yogurt keeps evolving. Its rich past and bright future make it a true superfood. And that's the creamy story of yogurt, ancient, modern, and always alive.